So I got a trick. Get rid of the copyright song.
Yep. Just making your editing life harder.
Timing chain.
I was about to say that didn't sound good.
Yeah, it's an issue. It takes the tension to actually come out and then rip.
Yep.
Apparently normal. Switch, when I'm off-road, I switch this to off. And then I can come down here. Put some air into my shocks and get them up. And that'll keep the air. Will keep them up. Generally I'll turn my aircon off because I find that it will run better. Probably don't want to, but I want it stiff, not soft, so there's not much bouncing.
With our super lift shocks, you'll get a height of about what you see in this picture at a maximum, but I'm unsure if the CVs would handle this height. I've never really tried to drive around for long durations at this height before, but I have reserved to use this mainly if I was to be stuck on my chassis, for example, and wanted to be able to drive out of a situation. Mainly the purpose of this system is actually to stiffen up or soften up the shocks.
Generally, I just want a similar height to the front to the back. Just so they're not... It should be good. Not done yet.
Getting there?
Nah, just showing the new switches and electrical shit I hooked up.
This is my morning routine.
Mate, drugged up.
I'm right for the
Imagine
day
that for a
now.
shirt, drugged up for the truck.
I'm drugged up for the day now.
And then in summer, when I'm really hot, I've got a manual switch here. Listen to the front. Thermal override for the thermo fans. So it'll tell me that they're on the dash now. And I've got basically a high fan relay kicking in. So if I'm traveling slow, I can get
You can still get that
airflow through the radiator, the transcooler and the whole lot.
Yep.
And the one I don't need anymore, just flick it off. Override the computer.
You'll need that.
In the summer, yeah. We learnt that last year. No, year before. So that should be fine.